Bringing your big idea to life can be daunting and frustrating, especially when you don't know where to start or which steps to follow. That's why we created IdeaBuddy, your innovative business planning companion that walks you through every step you need to take your brilliant idea into a success story. You can organize your thoughts and hash out your business model on your own or with your team. We will take you through the entire business planning journey as you easily develop every part of your business idea step by step. With IdeaBuddy, making financial projections is a breeze. Just fill in the blanks and we'll crunch the numbers for you. After that, you can test your idea to see if you're ready to tackle the market and live that work hard, play hard life of an entrepreneur. Finally, we will automatically put together your business plan. You'll be ready to pitch and dazzle investors in no time. Our customizable templates will give you that boost you need to get started and make business planning as easy as it is exciting. These are the reasons why we have thousands of satisfied customers. From concept to launch, IdeaBuddy has all the tools you need to stop doubting yourself and transform your big ideas into a thriving business.